Hi everyone, this is Amira and I have
Hello,
GA with me.
I'm GE.
And welcome to our chapter about writing effective ad copy that gets clicks and conversions. So you might be wondering, who am I and why am I teaching you this lesson? So to give you a little bit of a background into who I am Amira. I'm the operations manager at IT Creed PPC and one of the co-founders here at Game. So the reason why I'm going to be showing you ad copy today is because inside the agency, I help with the copywriting and messaging and overall creative direction for the ads. So this is going to be one of our specialties today. So I'm going to walk you through our process for writing Google search ad copy, how you can use ChatGPT to make your work faster, easier, and smarter, and also walk you through the overall process. But if you're wondering why I look the way I am and why I speak the way I do, so just to get that elephant out of the room, I
Yes.
am half Egyptian and I grew up in UAE, so in Abu Dhabi. So I just got used to
Uh,
speaking this way, but I do understand Taglish and Filipino. I just figured na it would be a little bit easier for me just to talk the way that I usually talk. So you can consider this lesson a bit more like a casual sit down with me and my team. And if you have any questions that might pop up in mind, JA is here. He's one of our students here inside the course and the program. So if there are any questions that will be relevant to you guys, he will pop up and we will address them as we go.
yes. And I want to point out this
Mhm.
is we've tried multiple versions of this. We
Yes.
found that it's best if Amir speaks the way she usually speaks. Because if we try doing it in Filipino, it just doesn't work when Amir would say, ang tatalakayin natin ngayon
Yeah.
ay ang, diba? Exactly, exactly.
Like imagine me opening the lesson with like,
Yeah.
hello, madlang people.
Very showtime.
Very much, very much. Yeah.
So we're not gonna do that.
We're not gonna do that.
All right.
So what is ad copy? You might be thinking, is it the, words in your ad that talk about your offer, a limited time promotion, or about your brand, things like that? Or, is it about what makes you different? Now, it's correct. That's exactly what ad copy is. But to make it simpler, ad copy is basically the messaging of your ad. And in copywriting, the goal of copywriting is to grab people's attention, build trust, and get them to perform an action, whether that is to learn more, contact you, or to book a trial, depending on what your campaign goal is. So today, we're going to show you how you can do that, how to write ad copy for Google search ads. Because in Google search ads, we have something called responsive search ads. And you might be wondering, what do search ads look like? So let's say you go onto Google search and you type something, whether that's a product or a service, and you see the first four results on top that have the word sponsored. That are Google search ads. And these are some examples of them from our client, M. Dantes Online Music School. So you can see here we have different type of search ads for their lessons. We have guitar, singing, piano, things like that. And these are responsive because the ads will show up differently with different headlines, descriptions, and even, images, phone numbers, location settings, and links, depending on what Google determines to be the best result for each user. That's why it's called responsive because Google will create unique combinations every time. So that's why we call it responsive because it's going to be a unique experience every time.
Oh, wow.
Now,
It's not just because pala
mhm,
it shows up on mobile or on the laptop. It's because it depends on the context Google has on you, not just
yep,
your device. Thank you,
exactly.
thank you.
Right. So if you're excited to learn how you can do that and apply it for your business or for your clients, let's go to the media plan and get started.